Let's use grammar. We are given reported speech. Read this conversation on the phone. Ajit. Hello Asa. Please tell me how to make carrot halwa. Asa. Okay, I'll tell you provided you share it with me. Ajit. Oh yes. I'll gladly do that. Asa. Now start. Grate half a kilo of carrots. Ajit. I've got half a kilo of grated carrots. Asa. Okay, put 1 liter of milk on the fire. Ajit. Shall I boil it? Asa. Yes, but put the grated carrots in it. Ajit, what else should I add? Asa, add half a kilo of sugar, ghee and some raisins and almonds. Ajit, shall I let everything cook? Asa, yes. Stir the contents from time to time. In about half an hour, the pudding will be ready. Ajit, thanks. Come over in the evening and we'll have a party. Asa, laughing. Thank you. I'll bring along a few friends. Ajit, oh no. Please don't bring them. If you do, there will be no pudding left for you or me. In the evening, Raj, Ajit's friend, tastes the pudding. He wants to know the recipe. Now, time for the exercise. Report how Asa told Ajit to make the pudding. The sentences to be reported are underlined. To make it easier, here's an example given on how you should begin. Asa told Ajit to grate half a kilo of carrots. Then she asked him to put 1 liter of milk on the fire. First, pause the video and write it down. I hope you did the exercise. Here's the completed paragraph. Asa told Ajit to grate half a kilo of carrots. Then she asked him to put 1 liter of milk on the fire. Ajit asked Asa if he should boil it. She replied in the affirmative and told him to put the grated carrots in it. She then advised him to add half a kilo of sugar, ghee and some raisins and almonds. Finally, she instructed him to stir the contents from time to time and added that in about half an hour, the pudding would be ready. Now it's time for exercise involving adverbial clauses of time. Complete these sentences by using the correct form of the verbs given in brackets. 1C. Which form of verb is correct here? The results, she was overjoyed. When she heard the results, she was overjoyed. I'll stay here till you. Which form of verb will you use here? Return from the market. I'll stay here till you return from the market. I'll help you with your homework as soon as I. Which form of verb will you use here? I have done my homework. I do my homework. Both are correct. When I here for 20 years, I'll be entitled to a pension. Which form of verb will be right here? When I have worked here for 20 years, I'll be entitled to a pension. The plane won't take off till the fog. Which form of verb will be correct here? Lifts. The plane won't take off till the fog lifts. Now it's time for another exercise. Let's enrich our word store. Study these sets of words. Pick out the one that does not belong to the set. Say why it doesn't belong. For example, football, athletics, basketball, volleyball. Here the answer is athletics because the other three are all ball games. Coach, learner, teacher, trainer. The odd one is learner. The others, coach, teacher, trainer are all roles of people who instruct or guide, whereas a learner is the person receiving instruction. Boxing, running, jumping, throwing. The odd one is boxing. The others, running, jumping, throwing are all core athletic track and field movements, while boxing is a combat sport or martial art. Stamina, speed, skill, sports. The odd one is sports. The others are individual physical or mental attributes required in athletics, whereas sports is a general category term. Victory, success, defeat, win. The odd one is defeat. The others all denote a positive outcome or winning, while defeat denotes losing. Medal, shield, cup, competition. The odd one is competition. The others are physical awards or trophies given to winners, whereas competition is the event itself. Tournament, triumph, competition, championship. The odd one is triumph. The others are terms for organized competitive sporting events, whereas triumph is the feeling or act of victory. Now it's time for one word and multiple meanings. Let's use the dictionary. Study these sport entries from a dictionary. Sport as noun has different meanings. Sport as verb has different meanings. Sport, an athletic, especially outdoor activity, any game or pastime. An outdoor pastime such as hunting or fishing. Such activities or pastimes collectively. The world of sport. Amusement, fun, we said it in sport. Slang, a sportsmanlike person, an animal or plant that is strikingly different from its parent or parents. Sport as verb, to play, to amuse oneself, to wear or display. He sported a gold tie pin. Sports, plural noun, athletic activities, a meeting for competition in these, the school sports, noun, sports car, an open low-build fast car, sports coat or jacket, a man's jacket for informal wear, not part of sport is verb to has different meanings when used in sentences. Now fill in the blanks in the following sentences with the appropriate sports words or phrases from the extract above. Sunita is sporting a neat pair of earrings. They look lovely. Don't take him seriously. He only said it in his sports. Since it's going to be a formal dinner, perhaps you shouldn't wear that sports coat. The sports meet organized in Hetunda turned out to be very popular. For English exercises like this every week, subscribe to the channel.